Hey guys, it's Courtney Lynn here and welcome back to my channel. Thanks for taking time today to stop by and hang out with me for a little bit. In this video, I am doing an after dark clean with me. Right before I went to bed, I went ahead and cleaned up the entire kitchen and also made a ham and cheese egg bake. Hope you enjoy this video. Let's get started. So just real quick, these are the ingredients that you would need if you wanted to make this ham and cheese egg bake. Of course, you need eggs and some diced ham, some mozzarella cheese, sharp cheddar, you need some butter, a red pepper, some green onions, flour, salt and pepper, milk, and this is such an easy recipe. Let me show you how it's made real quick. So first things first, I went ahead and got some butter starting to melt on the stovetop. And then I took all of my cheese ingredients and then just poured them over the entire bottom of the 9x13. Next, I took my eggs, cracked all of them, and then I added the milk, the salt and pepper, and then also the flour, and then mixed those all together. Then I took my green onions and my red pepper and went ahead and threw those in the pan with the butter. Once those were pretty much cooked, I went ahead and added the diced ham. Next, I went ahead and scooped out all of the pepper, the onion, and the ham filling, and I poured it all across the 9x13. Then I took my egg mixture and I poured it right on the top, then covered with foil, and then it's going to sit in the refrigerator overnight. And I did write on top of the foil, I wrote the instructions for the next morning so I didn't have to pull up the recipe. And it says that you should bake at 350 for 35 to 45 minutes. So this is the next morning. I thought I'd give you a sneak peek of what it looks like, but this is such an easy, yummy breakfast. And we did end up cooking it way longer. We probably cooked it a total of 55 minutes. So keep that in mind if you like it a little bit more crispy on top, but this is so yummy and so easy to make. Alright, so going back to the night before, this is back to our after dark clean, and now I'm just straightening up the kitchen, gonna get everything put away and cleaned up. So we had a pretty long day today, so as you can see I've already taken my shower and we're winding down for bed, so this is not very much deep cleaning, just some light cleaning, making sure everything's put away, cleaned up, wiped down, and then I'm gonna start the dishwasher so that that will be all clean and we can unload it in the morning. You got me too. You can ride out the blue. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday. I am washing the plate cover that was in the microwave because that gets dirty very quickly, and then I'm also washing the glass plate that goes into the microwave. And next, the stovetop. This needed to just be scrubbed really quickly, so I'm getting all the crumbs off, and then I'm just taking our little scrubber and some dish soap and scrubbing it down real quick. Now I'm just starting on one end of the counter and wiping everything down, including the countertops, and making my way from one side of the kitchen to the other. And what I'm using today on the countertops is this simple green cleaner.
staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else.
We recently just redecorated our kitchen for summertime, and as you can see, we went with the lemon theme, and I will link that video down below if you missed it and you would like to check it out. That's such a fun video. We also decorated our living room in pineapple theme, so that was fun as well. So go check that out if you haven't seen that.
Don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you. Oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend. And call me anytime when you're out of time. And you, I got you.
There were some dishes that were hand washed that I needed to put away, so I'm drying those off and I'm going to put those all away right now.
You got me, got me. You got me, got me. You got me too. Got me. I've been saving you. You save me too.
As I was putting the coffee pot back, I decided to make some coffee for the next morning. So I'm starting that, putting all the ingredients in, getting it ready, and then I'm setting it on a timer so that it will start making coffee at 7 a.m. I'm taking some Wayman stainless steel polish, and I've talked about this before, but this stuff is awesome. It's kind of like a thick spray, and you kind of have to work it into the stainless steel. But once you get past the thickness and you rub it in real good, the stainless steel looks so fantastic afterwards. It takes away all of the smudges, any fingerprints, and it leaves our stainless steel looking fantastic. Using the same spray on our dishwasher as well. I went ahead and started the dishwasher for the night and made sure to flip that sign to the "Come on in, we're clean," so that in the morning everyone will know the dishwasher is clean. Also using the same stainless steel polish on our trash can because this stuff works wonders. Then I'm taking some simple green and cleaning the little wall behind the trash can because that can get dirty sometimes. There really is not a better feeling than waking up the next morning to a freshly cleaned kitchen, and especially if breakfast is already made, right? You just have to pop it in the oven. I love that feeling of going to bed with a clean kitchen, so I hope you guys, if you're here looking for motivation, maybe it's late, you're tired, and you don't want to do it, press on, keep doing it, because sooner or later you will be done, and you will wake up with a clean kitchen, and you're going to feel so much better, and it's a great start to your day. This is our Muso cordless vacuum that I'm using to do a quick little job on the kitchen tile, picking up any crumbs. And then I was going to mop the floor with our O-Cedar spin mop and some Pine Sol, but I ended up just using the Swiffer mop tonight just to save time. But I love these Swiffer mops just as much. They do a great job if you're in more of a hurry and you still want your kitchen floor to be clean. These do a great job. I'm placing the mats back into the kitchen. I'm gonna be placing the trash can back into, making sure everything is in place. And this is the final result of our after dark kitchen clean with me. It was totally worth pushing myself to stay up a little bit later, or maybe not to go relax on the couch, but to get up and clean the kitchen. And it wasn't that hard, and it didn't take very long. So thank you guys so much for watching this after dark clean with me. I hope that you will subscribe and stick around for more videos to come. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.